Fantastic Jayachandran Pallikaranai மற்றும் Jayachandran Textiles Ranganathan Thiru.
Absolutely, he's slim, he's looking great, he has so much of energy. Everybody is Simbu fan, yeah. He used to trouble me a lot, like he used to keep pulling my hair and he used to keep like troubling me a lot, but I had a crush on him. I also can do somersaults, by the way. Yeah, I can do like a front flip, back flip. I can do all of those things. So if any director is watching, do cast me in an action. What is this single boys?
Single boys is very special in Tamil Nadu. We are don't having any girlfriend. Frequently use the emoji.
Okay.
So I'm getting nervous. Actually.
Please don't be nervous.
Okay.
எதையோ சாதிச்ச ஒரு சந்தோஷம் இவர் கண்ணுல எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சது.
Okay.
I'm more nervous than you. This is my first day in Tamil interviews. First day எனக்கு. நான் nervous இருக்கு. நீங்க ஏன் nervous இருக்கு?
So while seeing the Taj Mahal, a poet will be nervous at first.
நல்லா காக்கா புடி. என்ன புடிச்சாலும் அங்க ஒண்ணும் மசிய போறது.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Thank you
See,
so
I became
much.
a poet.
Thank you so much. Very sweet of you.
நம்ம கூட வந்துட்டு பாத்தீங்கன்னா இன்னைக்கு ஆக்சுவலா ஒரு பயங்கரமான ஒரு இன்டர்வியூ இருக்க போகுது. எனக்குமே ரொம்ப நர்வஸ் அண்ட் நானுமே ரொம்ப ப்ரிப்பேர்டா
Please
வந்திருக்கேன்.
don't be nervous, Shah. நீ ரொம்ப நல்லா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கற. ஏன் nervous?
சப்போர்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க அண்ட் நிதி அகர்வால் நம்ம கூட இருக்கிறாங்க. நிறைய விஷயங்கள் பேச போகிறோம். பூமி படத்தில் வந்து ஆக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. தமிழுக்கு வந்து இப்போ தான் அவங்க வந்து புதுசு, பட் ஈஸ்வரன்லையும் ஆக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. நம்மளுடைய வெரி ஃபேவரட் சிம்பு அவங்களோட நிறைய விஷயங்கள் அதை பற்றி கேட்க போகிறோம். அண்ட் we are going to have a nice time with her.
Yes.
வணக்கம் மேடம். வணக்கம் டு தமிழ்நாடு பிகாப் ஆஃப் இந்தியா கிளிட்ஸ்.
Thank you so much.
So how is the atmosphere? How is தமிழ்நாடு?
ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. எனக்கு தமிழ் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். Because actually I'm from Bangalore, so since childhood I've heard Tamil a lot. My neighbors were Tamilian, and I stayed with them for a very very long time actually. So எனக்கு தமிழ் கொஞ்சம் தெரியும். அப்போ தெரியும். So இப்போ again, you know, I know I'm learning Tamil and
So in the Tamil Nadu, we are very happy to welcome you. How is the food? How is the atmosphere? And
food is very important to me, and food is amazing because I'm a total South Indian girl at heart because I'm from Bangalore, no? So my heart is totally South Indian. See, this crow is also agreeing with me.
yes.
But yeah, food, idli is my most favorite food in this whole world.
Okay.
Idli is number 1, curd rice is number 2, rasam rice is number 3.
Okay.
So எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் South Indian food.
Nice.
Yeah.
So single boys, please.
Single boys. What is the single boys association?
Single boys is very special in Tamil Nadu. We are from the 90s kids. You know, we are don't having any girlfriends because we don't know how to approach the girls. We are the generation where we don't
Very
know about
sweet.
the girls.
Very
so,
sweet. So you are the head of that association.
Not
இவன் சரியா வர மாட்டான்டா.
the head. I am also a member.
Okay.
So we'll have a warm up round. Okay.
Okay, warm up
One warm up round, and which is very
Let's start.
special.
Let's start.
But you have to accept it.
Okay,
So,
I
promise me you will accept.
promise.
என்னை தீண்டி விட்டாள் தீரி தூண்டி விட்டாள் என்னை நானே தொலைத்து விட்டேன்.
Okay. So it is like what is inside your phone? It's kind of unlocking your phone. We
Oh
are
God,
gonna
why is
unlock-
my phone? My phone is actually here and I didn't even know it. Okay,
yeah.
what is inside my phone?
What is your phone password?
How can I give my password?
You can change later.
Okay, it is the same number 4 times. See, it is 4 digits and it is a certain number 4 times.
It's 9.
Yes.
The next first app. What app will you check when you are wake up?
Instagram.
Instagram.
And WhatsApp.
The first text you send today to whom when?
The first text I sent today was to my dad because every day morning my dad will send me a message. Today's message is happy morning beta, have a wonderful day, and my message is you too papa with like lots of hearts.
Okay,
So
okay.
to my dad.
Your last WhatsApp status and Instagram status.
WhatsApp status is Om.
No. The 24-hour status.
Oh, that is off for me. Everything is off. Blue tick is off. Everything is off. Red, unread, whatever. It's all off.
Okay. And frequently used emoji in your WhatsApp. It's nice actually.
That one.
Person you blocked in your phone.
So many. Every day I block people, yeah, because I've had this number. This is my first number. So I've had this number for like 10, 11, 12 years now. So literally so many people have my number. Every day I need to block.
Most occupied person in your gallery. Other
My
than
dog.
You.
My
Oh,
dog.
You'd love to see that.
Yes, my dogs. I have lot of pictures of my dogs. So I have 2 dogs. So I have lot of, like, this is one video with my dog.
Oh,
See,
you
this
can
is
share.
one more photo of my birthday with my doggy.
Wow.
So you know my dog is all. Thank
Sorry.
you. So my dog is everywhere. Yeah, yeah.
So my focus is.
Your focus is here.
I don't know. Hey, this is edit and you remove that. Yeah. Okay. Last Google topic.
This is very dangerous. How do I see history?
Just go to your Google and just click search button. You have the screenshot.
Gym in Rajahmundry.
Oh.
I'm not sending you a
Wherever
screenshot
you
of
go.
this. Gym in Rajahmundry because
Okay.
I was shooting in Rajahmundry for my Telugu film, and I didn't like the gym in my hotel, so I was looking, you know, where can I go and work out. So gym in Rajahmundry.
So you'll be without a boyfriend, you'll be without food, but you'll not be without the gym, huh?
No, I will not be without food. Food I will have, but I will work out.
Okay, nice.
Without
actually.
food is very tough, yeah.
Okay. Last video you surfed in YouTube.
Again, very dangerous.
This is also no screenshot.
Hey,
huh?
this is last video was this morning. We listened to some devotional songs in the morning, so that's the song.
So this question is also a dangerous question. We'll see. Okay.
Okay.
What is the camera folder? Show me the 27th picture.
27th picture, like backwards 27.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll show you one of my baby pictures. See?
Oh, nice.
Okay.
It's cute. So finally, we are at the end of the warm up. Actually, warm up.
So this was the warm up.
Yeah.
Okay, done.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have been you are a gym trainer. You are a
I'm a
dancer.
trainer. No, I'm a
It is
trainee.
My English. It is like that.
Okay.
You are a trainee, and you are a dancer, and you are a heroine. You are a model. You are a beautiful lady, etc., etc.
Mm-hmm.
So how all things possible? No. This
Iraiva.
is okay. So, see, even if I have seen you behind the camera,
Mm-hmm.
I would have proposed to you. So many guys would have proposed to you. Have you ever had a crush other than this industry?
Of course. I'll talk about my first crush. My first crush was in the 4th standard. He's a very good friend of mine now. His name is Ronak Shah.
Shah.
It's okay. He's a
Shah,
oh
Shah,
yeah,
Shah.
your name is also
Yeah.
Shah. Oh, that's amazing. So his name is Ronak Shah. He's a very good friend of mine. He was in my school. He used to trouble me a lot. Like he used to keep pulling my hair and he used to keep like troubling me a lot. But I had a crush on him in school. Very short crush. And then that's all.
That's all. Have any guy impressed you like somersault, like kind of the Remo style?
Somersault. My first film is with Tiger Shroff. He's constantly doing somersaults. I was
Okay.
very impressed when I saw all of his somersaults and everything. I also can do somersaults, by the way.
Huh?
Yeah, I can do like a front flip, back flip. I can do all of those things. So if any directors watching, do cast me in an action film.
Okay, sure. And we were wondering about your Instagram followers. Actually, last April you have I think almost 5 million,
Okay.
but now it is like 6
Six.
million.
Yeah, I just
வாழ்த்துக்கள்
think
for that.
Thank you so
And
much.
I am-
Romba romba nandri.
I am one among them.
No one among them.
Yeah,
Thank you.
and
Thank you
how
so
happy
much.
you are.
I'm very happy because actually I've always been very lucky in terms of people's like attention and love. For some reason they've always really like, I don't know, given me a lot of love, you know. So even when I go somewhere, when whatever, like I know there are some directors who even cast me because of this kind of base. So I'm very, very happy, very, very thankful, and I love all of them.
Okay.
So thank you so much.
Okay, so
Yeah.
behalf of your follower, I just noted one thing. I felt you will be a little bit chubby,
Oh.
but
I'm not, right? I'm very
yeah,
slim.
yeah.
But that I mean, camera does add weight, so probably that's why.
Okay.
But also for me, it changed. Like when I just started, I was very, 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 very skinny. So all the directors were like, Nidhi, you have to put on 2 kgs, 3 kgs. If you don't do it, it won't be right. And also, Then I started putting on a little bit of weight.
But we like that also.
You like that also?
Yeah.
That chubby.
Yeah,
Okay. Depends on the film. Actually, my Tamil film also, there are two looks of mine. The one that I'm currently shooting with Magir sir. So for one of the look, I had to lose a little bit of more weight. So which is why I've lost.
So
more
I'm
weight
waiting.
now. Yeah, you're waiting for me to put on weight again.
Yeah.
Oh God. Okay, fine.
So how is the movie Bhumi?
So Bhumi is actually a very very good script. Like on a script level, it's a very strong script. The story is very good. I know in the trailer it looks like it is a very it is a patriotic film. It does have a message, but it's not just about that. There is a lot of love. There is a lot of comedy in the film. A lot of comedy is coming from me in the film. And I really love my character in Bhumi. Like I've never done something like this ever. Very very happy and thankful actually to Lakshman sir that he made me do the craziest thing in this film. I had to scream, I had to make such funny faces, and it was too much for me. So every day I would have so much of coffee and go, and I'd just be like, okay fine, I'm ready to do whatever Lakshman sir wants me to do today. So yeah, a lot of the comedy comes from me also in the film. So once they see the film, they'll understand. I think they've cut the trailer in a very overall film way, but it is a very funny film also. So I think once the film releases, people will see.
How was the experience? This is a default question. How was the experience with the hero and the cast and crew?
Very very good. You know, Ravi sir has been very nice to me. He's actually very very sweet. Like even because this is my debut film in Tamil, you know, he kind of made sure that I got a good introduction. He especially told the director to give me a nice introduction, you know. So because this is my debut, right? So small things, he really helped me a lot, and he encouraged me a lot on set, saying that, you know, you're doing this well, because I had to do a lot of crazy things, which is little too much, but he gave me that comfort and that encouragement that no, don't worry, it's looking good, don't worry. So it was very very sweet of him.
Yeah, it will be.
Yeah.
I think it will be looking good. Okay.
Thank you.
As like Bhumi, you have acted in Easwaran,
Ishwara.
and whole Simbu fans are waiting for that.
Everybody is Simbu fan, yeah. Great.
Yeah.
STR.
So I think for STR also it is a comeback
A
movie.
comeback, yeah.
Like after 1 or 2 years.
Absolutely. He's slim, he's looking great, he has so much of energy, and he's so good, like performed so well in this film. And we shot the film so fast. My part was 20 days, the whole film was 25 days. So it was like a very short but a very very nice shooting experience, and his performance is very very good. Like I've seen even the trailer and everything, it's superb. Like yeah.
Okay. Tell me something about the story and the sequence with you and Simbu.
So Ishwaran is a complete like family film. It's meant for families. It's a family entertainer, like kids, women, guys. It's a single guys association, committed guys association. Everybody will like it. It has a lot of like mass elements. It has really nice songs, but the family emotion is very very strong. And Susindran sir, I think, is also known for that genre, right? Of that very earthy kind of film. So it's a very good film. And Simbu's energy is extremely good in it. And our track in the film is very cute. Like it's a very cute kind of
Yeah, we
love
have noted that.
thing happening. You'll see slowly once our song comes.
It's a little bit
once-
possessive, but still Simbu is our Talaivan, so it's okay.
Talaivan,
No problem.
yeah.
Okay, right. So I think we can move on to a segment.
Okay.
Tondu Dottu from the 300 years BC. So we are having this segment called Rapid Fire. Okay?
Rapid fire. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, rapid fire, you have to ask me only in Tamil. Only then I will answer.
Tamil.
Yeah.
நீங்க ஒர்க் பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்கிற ஒரு ஹீரோ.
Vijay Talapati.
விஜய்.
Yeah.
You are very nice
Thank
actually.
you.
You are a content provider.
I'm a content provider. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. உங்களுக்கு
Yeah.
சென்னையில பிடிச்ச இடம்.
Beach.
Beach?
I really like the beach a lot.
Okay. One director you want to work with.
Maniratnam sir.
Maniratnam sir. Okay, so what will you do when you are in stress?
I'll go to the gym, or I will, yeah.
Tell me what you remember when I'm telling something. And
Okay.
this first thing, social media.
I love because I get direct access with people who love me. So எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்.
Okay, love.
My family.
Flights.
Flights 163.
Okay, mirror. It's actually very lucky, la, your mirror.
How sweet. How sweet. You're very sweet.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you're very sweet. Every day I should talk to you for 5 minutes. I'll be in a very good mood.
I'm waiting for that.
Great. A mirror, I think your best teacher.
Late night shoot.
No problem. If I slept in the morning, no problem. If I have not slept in the morning, romba kashtam.
So one person, Vijay Shah,
Vijay Shah is very sweet.
very sweet.
Very sweet.
Very sweet.
Like
sweet
sugar,
you
very,
also.
very sweet.
It's
Thank
nice. Okay. So 3 expressions you have to give. Okay.
Okay.
I'll tell you the 3 expressions.
Say, what
You're
is the
happy
first
now.
one?
You're also happy. Sad. This time also we are happy.
Okay.
It's cute actually. Romantic. Okay. Nice. Okay, so behalf of Thalapathy fans, I have to ask you a question like,
Okay.
So why do you like Thalapathy? Tell me something about him.
I like him because I've seen some of his films and I think he does comedy really, really well. And it's not very easy to do comedy. So I think he has a great screen presence and I think he's very, very good in comic scenes. And
So what is your reaction if a director gives you a call and you are the heroine for next Thalapathy movie? So how will be you?
I'll be very happy. I'll be very happy to work with him. And yeah, I'll be very, very happy.
Okay,
Yeah.
actually a nice time. Actually, it's a very special time for me, and I hope audience would also enjoy. And thank you for being with us.
Thank you so much.
Nandri.
I've had a great time. Romba romba nandri and take care. And thank you for all the love and encouragement.
Sure.
ஃபேண்டாஸ்டிக் ஜெயச்சந்திரன் பள்ளிக்கரணை மற்றும் ஜெயச்சந்திரன் டெக்ஸ்டைல்ஸ் ரங்கநாதன் தெரு.